All right, so we did the first one, we did the practice one, okay? Now, notice as we save stuff, it's going to appear on here. If it does not appear on there, you can always hit the open thing and it'll be a list of the ones that you picked in the file that you picked them in automatically. All right, so let's go ahead and do another one. Okay, so File, New. And you can also hit this New, but I just like using the one at the top because it gives me this. All right, great. And here we are again. Now our next one is a spacer plate, okay? So we'll go ahead and start 2D sketch. Pick that XY plane. And once again, I like starting with the circles. You can also start with the square if you want to. I like to anchor things to this point right here. And I really like to center it around that point. But as long as that point's involved somewhere, you're not just drawing haphazardly, you're probably pretty good. This time, I'll start from that point. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And I'm just going to, once again, just kind of draw the thing. As you draw, you'll notice little things like you'll see the little perpendicular thing down at the bottom, and you'll see the constraints on the lines that you've already drawn. Okay, and that lets you know that everything is hunky-dory and straight. So there's that. We got 2 circles in there. We got a circle here. We got a circle here. Okay. Now, obviously, those are not the right size. So let's dimension it. We know that our top view thing here is going to be 6.5. All right. And we know that all the way across is going to be 8. That's really funky looking, isn't it? So let's start doing stuff. Okay. So here to here is 6.5. This line, we don't know. So I'm going to escape that. This line, we do know. It gives us this in the book. That one's going to be 2.5. This one is also 2.5. Now see that dot? You don't want to grab the dot. You want to make sure you grab the line. All right, now it's starting to come together a little bit. From there to there, 5.5. Okay, so now we got everything in place. All right, so let's get this one here. Now that's going to be 5. And from the top, it will be 1.5. And the size of that one is 1.5. That dimension there is going to be 3. And this dimension here will be 2.5. And then that's, now notice how it defaults to diameter. If you want to do radius, just right click, go to dimension type, and there's radius. Okay, but we're going to stay on diameter because this is a diameter. 2.5. Whoops. There we go. 2.5. All right. And once again, see, everything's constrained. Okay, so we will finish our sketch. Hit the home button, it'll zoom it out so that you can see, and extrude. And we'll look in our book to see how much our extrusion is supposed to be. Now you can put that in either here or here, and it's going to be 0.125. That's really thin. That's 1/8 of an inch. So that's a spacer plate. That's just use this kind of a shim to do something with. And there you go. So your spacer plate's done. Everything's great. We'll go ahead and save that. And we'll call that CAD 2. And save it. All right, and then go to File, Export, PDF, and we'll call that CAD 2 PDF, and we'll save that as well. And that's it for CAD 2. I'll see you for CAD 3 later.